Hello everybody, welcome to Lotus Kitchen. I hope you all are doing fine. Today we are going to make a very yummy dish. It's all about the dilli wale chole. So let's get started.
Let's begin with our first step. Now these are some white chanas. I have soaked them overnight. You can see. Now I'm going to boil them in the pressure cooker and give them for about 4 to 5 whistles. Now to this I'll be adding one potli in which I have taken some tea powder. This is 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of tea powder. To this I am adding some bay leaf, 2 bay leaf. This is some star anise, and this is 1 cardamom and 4 to 5 cloves. Now I have tied this to a nice potli like this with the help of a rubber band. You are supposed to use a white muslin cloth or a cotton cloth, very clean muslin or a cotton cloth. Okay, now I'll be adding this potli into this, and I'm going to cover the lid and give it 4 to 5 whistles. Now until the choles are done, simultaneously we are going to start cooking our gravy. I have added 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil, and now I am adding chopped onions to this. We are going to saute this till they turn light brown in color. Now you can see the color of the onions has changed. Now I am going to add the tomatoes. I have taken 3 tomatoes and 3 onions. Now saute them for about 15 minutes. Before sauteing, I am just going to add the spices. Remember, we have already made a potli of the spices, and we have dropped it into our boiling choles. I am going to add all these spices. These are some cumin seeds, some coriander seeds, and some cloves. So I am going to add this in the tomatoes. Now we are not going to add water to this now. We are just going to cook it with the lid on, and we'll allow it to cook for about 15 minutes. Now I'm going to add some oil into another pan. Now this is optional, but this is going to give the choles that exotic taste. I usually add some chopped potatoes and fry them in some oil. You can fry these potatoes one by one, or I'm just going to saute them in oil for about 5 to 10 minutes till they get that nice golden color. Now the potatoes are done. You can see it's got a nice golden color and they have turned crisp as well. So I'm going to turn off the flame and keep this aside. Now let's check our tomatoes. Yes, it is almost done. Now to this I'm going to add some freshly chopped methi leaves. This is optional. You can also add kasuri methi if you want, and some coriander, and mix them. Now I'm going to add some haldi to this, and then some red chili powder. Give it a nice mix. Okay, so this is almost done. Now I'm going to turn off the flame and we'll allow this mixture to cool down, and then I'm going to transfer it into a mixie jar and blend it to a very fine paste. Now after the mixture has cooled down, I'm going to blend this now. I have transferred into this mixie jar. Now you can see I have blended it to a very fine paste. Let's check the choles. Yes, you can see lovely color, this lovely color. Now we'll gently remove this potli. You can see this color. The choles also have got a lovely color. All the flavors are diffused into the choles and the chole residue as well. Now you can see I have drained the water and I have kept it in one bowl. Take the same kadhai, add just 1 teaspoon of oil to this. Let's add the ginger, garlic and coriander paste. Now the garlic and ginger I have turned crisp. I am going to add some haldi powder to this. One teaspoon of red chili powder. Now add the chole. Mix this well, and now we will be adding the paste, tomato and onion paste to this. Now we are going to add the water which we used to cook our choles in the pressure cooker. Now I am going to add that water to this. Now I have added all the chole stock into this. If you want to add water, you can add water to this. Adjust the consistency. If you want it to be thin, you can add some more water to this. Otherwise, this much is fine. Now we will add some salt to this. Now we will add some jaggery to this. This is optional. If you want to skip, you can skip this. Now we'll cover this and we'll allow it to simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now we'll cook this on medium flame. Now let's check if this is done. This is done. You can see it's got a nice lovely color, lovely smell as well. So I'm going to switch off the flame and transfer it into my serving bowl. Now our chole is ready and it looks yummy. So please definitely try this recipe. Now this has got a lovely color. It looks very yummy, and please try this recipe. And please like, share and subscribe my channel if you haven't. Keep watching, and thanks very much for watching my videos.